Hi everyone, I am Steffi Fernandez and I'll be one of the many new artists that will be featured on the Nayo Nails channel. We're so excited to grow the Nayo Nails family and community and engage with you guys and learn a lot about you and what you'd like to see on our channel. Nayo Nails might have been quiet for the last year, but it's only because we've been working on bigger and better things. We have a brand spanking new studio, a lot of new equipment, we've got a team of editors that are incredible, we've got multiple artists that are willing to come on this channel and share their talents and passion with you. We are also always on the lookout for new talent. So if you're interested in being a part of our family and growing our channel, don't hesitate to comment below and get in touch with us on Facebook. We've also got so many new products that are about to launch this year and I can't wait to show you all. So one thing that I love the most outside nail art is dancing. I used to go to an art school when I was younger, so I used to do a mixture of ballet, street dance, a little bit of contemporary. So it might have been a while since I've danced, but your girl's got some moves. So as a person in general, I really love arts in any form. So it can be dance, theater, drawing or painting, it can be music. So I wanted to bring in my personality into those nails and kind of incorporate a lot of different things that I've done in my life on a small little canvas. So before I go, guys, I thought it would be fun to play with you a little game and tell you two truths about myself and a lie. So I had a pet monkey, I gate crashed Beyonce's after party, and I'm a world champion kickboxer. Have a guess and make sure to pop your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to mention an interesting fact about yourself. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss the launch of our new content where it will all be revealed.